Following a protracted period characterized by frequent relocations and second-rate working conditions, officers of the Royal Saint Lucia Police Force in the 7th Division have moved into their newly refurbished headquarters located in Vieux Fort. The president of the Police Welfare Association conducted an on-site visit to the renovated complex on Thursday.
After it's been more than 5 years, of moving back and forth from one location to the next, and the conditions that they have had to endure in those locations, the police officers are excited to finally be moving to the new police station, refurbished that is. I stopped by today to just visit and touch base with them, and they seem to be very excited with the move. They seem to be they're more satisfied with what is going on with them today. And there are a few teething issues, I must say, nothing that cannot be rectified within a short space of time, and I'm sure the persons that I've spoken to in authority are more than eager to actually rectify those issues. So the police officers are satisfied that they're finally moving, they're finally going to a space that is more conducive to, human inhabitation or working area.
Police officers had worked in less than ideal conditions in various office buildings since their headquarters fell into disrepair several years ago, a situation the media documented extensively starting in 2019. Laure highlighted the long period of hardship for the dedicated personnel, praising their unwavering commitment to public service despite the working environments.
As far as they're saying and as far as I've seen, they're satisfied, they're happy to be moving. They've had to endure a lot, and you must commend them for staying in the conditions that they've been in. And for me, I'm very surprised that they remained and they endured the conditions that they've had to endure, only to ensure that the public receive the service that they deserve, sacrificing themselves and their health to ensure that the public, gets the service of the police. So you have to commend these police officers. I commend them, and I'm happy that finally the move has started into the new refurbished police station at Vieux Fort.
Apart from the positive development regarding the headquarters, the PWA president also provided an update regarding labor negotiations between the Police Welfare Association and the government negotiation team. He reiterated the PWA's commitment to achieving an equitable and mutually agreeable resolution.
Negotiations continues. As a matter of fact, I had conversation with the secretary of the government negotiating team, indicating our position and eagerness to see negotiations come to an end. Many police officers are eager. They call to ask questions, and I want to let them know that we're doing everything that we can at this point to bring negotiations to an amicable conclusion. The last information that I have is that the chairman was supposed to have reached out to me sometime earlier this week and last week, but I have not heard from him. I've tried reaching him, but of course, he also has his profession as a lawyer and he's in court, so that is taking some of his time. And we need to express even to him our condolences. His mom passed not too long ago, and of course that took a toll on him. So we were a little patient in allowing him to deal with that issue. But, we're ready and eager to bring negotiations to an end, and so we're awaiting a response from the government negotiating team for that to happen.
The forthcoming inauguration of the refurbished 7 headquarters is anticipated to yield a significant improvement in the morale and operational effectiveness of police officers, even as crucial dialogue on a collective bargain arrangement with the state continues. In 2022, an agreement was inked between the government and NIPRO to renovate the police headquarters in the south, with Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre underscoring a commitment to provide suitable facilities for the police officers deployed in the precinct. Gina Philippi, HTS News Force.